Hey everybody, I can't be there today. I have a sick kid, so I'm going to show you what I'd like you to do in terms of our reading for a long walk to water, and what I'd like you to do after you do the reading. Now, most of you are through chapter 12, and in your picture that tells you where you need to be, today it talks about doing the chapter 8 research on waterborne diseases. Well, you should probably be through chapter 12 by the end of today. And looking at it long term, you want to be able to answer those questions that are in the packet. So this is the packet here, and we are on page. Let me get to the right page. Sorry, page 8 doesn't appear to want to really show up here. Okay, here it is, and this is what your packet looks like. Questions are here about waterborne diseases. It asks you to pick one of these 4, and a lot of people like guinea worm, and a lot of people like cholera. Those are the 2 that are most popular. But it asks you a couple questions. Chapters 9 and 10, again, this deals with dehydration, 3 basic questions, and then a discussion question that I'd like you to answer as well. For chapters 11 and 12, there are 2 refugee camps that are listed on this packet. But what I'm going to ask everyone to do, and I know some of you have already done the packet work, but that's okay. We're going to go ahead and fill in this Google Doc that I've put into the Google Classroom. It's the same questions for the most part. Specifically for chapter 8, same questions. Chapter 9, same questions and discussion questions. But with chapter 12, I've added one more refugee camp. So you have the Itang refugee camp, the Ifo, and the the Kakuma refugee camp, and you need to find the answers to the questions that are being asked according to the directions. These right here, these links are up to date. Last time we used it, which was about 2 or 3 months ago, so they should work, and you should be able to get the information from those 3 links. So the major difference between the packet and this Google Doc is there's one more refugee camp. The refugee camp has 4 links that you can use to find the information, and that should help out dramatically. In terms of chapters 8 and 9, the waterborne diseases and the dehydration, most of you already have your answers, and that's fine. Just please make sure that you provide the link. Okay? Provide the link that you used, or links. If you're doing a good job of researching, you should have at least 2. Provide those links here on this page. When you when you're finished with this, you'll turn it in through your Google Classroom. You can see right here I'm getting ready to post this assignment right now, and I'm going to need you to make sure that you turn that in when it's all said and done. If you get finished with that packet work there, please take a look at the last page in your packet. Remember, we are not doing the illusion activity that's here on chapters 13 to 15, but you do need to take a look at this page right here in your packet. It has 3 options for essays that you can work on, and I would strongly suggest that you start to think about which option you're going to do. Option 1 deals with Salva's personal message. Option 2 here deals with clean water. Option 3 deals with why do you care about these kids that are half of the world away. So you get to pick whichever one you want. It's the same rubric that we've used all year long for our writing assignments, so it should look very familiar for you. Please remember in your written responses, and the directions here at the top listed out pretty easily, you need to make sure that you write in proper essay form, use proper paragraph structure, find facts and reasons and evidence in the book to support your answers. Okay, and you can use facts and reasons and evidence from websites too to help you support that answer. But this should be a fairly sizable essay, probably 1.5 pages, 2 pages. Pick one, start a rough draft. I'll give that assignment out by the middle of the week, and that'll be due midweek next week sometime. If you have any questions about any of that stuff with Long Walk, please make sure that you do email me. I assume that you will be finished with the book by tomorrow. If not, please continue to read so that you're finished with it Wednesday so we can review Thursday, test Friday. Okay, so please, again, bottom line, here's what you need to have done. You should have it read all the way through chapter 12 by the end of today, which is Monday. By Wednesday, you should be finished with your text, with the text, A Long Walk to Water. Thursday, we're reviewing. Friday, we are testing. In terms of what you need to accomplish packet-wise, today, which is Monday, I'm asking you to complete chapters 8, chapter 9, and then chapters 11 and 12 with the Google Doc that I posted on Google Classroom. Turn it in when you are finished, and then start to look at the essay, maybe start writing a rough draft so that you're ready to finish it up here midweek. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I will get back to you as soon as I can and as soon as I'm available to. Thanks again. Please make sure you're behaving, being respectful to the substitute that's in today, and let me know if there's any problems. Thanks.